Howdy guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Auntie Tay. If you guys are new here, that's who I am. And if you're not, welcome back. We are in the middle of Craft for the Curve, which is a 15-day challenge that me and a bunch of other YouTubers are doing. You can find them in the description below, as well as some sponsors for a really awesome giveaway. All you have to do is follow along any of the crafts I post in this quarantine time, or any of the crafts that the other YouTubers do. You can tag craft or hashtag Craft for the Curve on Facebook or Instagram, and we'll be picking a winner to win a really awesome prize. They'll be from, it's sponsored by like over 10 crafting brands, including shopauntietay.com, and lots of really cool stuff. So you're definitely gonna wanna win it. All right, I have a confession to make. I'm obsessed with rainbows, and people love Figment. If you don't know who Figment is, he's a Disney character, and we have a bunch of Disney bundles for our members, and I wanted to use the Figment bundle today. I am using the Make Your Own Rainbow bundle, which can be found in our member site. If you're not a craft member of mine, you can join our Craft Day community. For $8 a month, you get access to thousands of SVGs. This SVG is commercial rights, so if you're a business member, you can sell products with any of the rainbows on it. So I went in and I created my own rainbow. Well, I didn't create my own rainbow. I chose the rainbow I like and the cloud I liked, and then I cut out that. So if you want a more detailed tutorial on how to use that bundle specifically, let me know. Otherwise, this is what we're gonna do. So I'm kind of going with a rainbow theme for April. So let me show you I haven't watercolored it yet, but this is my layout for April. And I kind of did this new layout that a friend of mine taught me, and I rainbowed it. So I really love the idea of like rain and sunshine coming out in April, and I love rainbows, honestly. So I was like, I want a hoodie with a rainbow on it. So I went into my closet, and this is one of the pieces that I bought at the thrift store about a month ago with the intention to revamp it. So I was looking for crew neck sweatshirts at like Target and all the places, and then I was like, hold up, let me hit up the thrift store. So I went to the thrift store and bought a bunch of pieces that I didn't have any time to do anything to, and now I have all the time to do all the things to them. So follow along this whole journey because I'm gonna be doing them. And I am doing them for myself. So many times I am making things for my own kids that I don't ever get anything fun. So I was like, you know what? I am using our bundles that come out every single week, and I'm gonna be making myself some stuff. So, okay, so I'm gonna fire up my Easy Press, and I already pre-cut out all of my things, and I'm probably going to add some bling at the end of this video as well, but I'm not gonna go crazy with the bling. I'm just gonna kind of bling subtly on top of it with some glue. I'm looking for my weeding tool. Okay, so I'm using my silicone mat to heat up. We've done this a few times, and we are going to just weed our 6 colors. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple. And I've always just been obsessed with rainbows and color theory. When I was a high schooler, I, instead of doing my schoolwork, would just color and draw, and I would blend colors together, and I would do all these things that you probably shouldn't have been doing, because I should probably doing like science and math and all the things, but I was obsessed with drawing and obsessed with colors. So I remember before I was even taught the color wheel, like making the color wheel just for fun as a kid. I would just like be like, okay, red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, and then I'd be like orange, red, orange, yellow, green, green, blue, blue, yellow, and I didn't know anything about like triadic colors or anything. So my obsession with rainbows just goes with my obsession with color, period. Like I'm just love, okay, really? Do you guys really need this long of a spiel of why I like rainbows? I am a nerd, but it's okay. What is your nerdy subject? Tell me in the comments below. I want to get to know you guys this quarantini. So I'm going to ask you, quarantini, like that's going to make it feel better if I give it a cute name. During isolation, all the words that makes us feel like we're prisoners. I want to get to know you guys. So let me know in the comments below, what is your nerdy subject? What is your subject that you can just go on and on and on about? Fun story, one of my new good friends that I just recently met didn't know who I was or what I do, and she started talking to me about bullet journaling, and I was like, oh, I love bullet journaling, and she's like, really? I don't have any friends who like to listen to me talk about my bullet journal or anything. I was like, girl, I got you. I'm a bullet journal nerd. She's like, I'm a bullet journal nerd too. So what is your subject? Like, what is your thing that people just start tuning you out? Because like, I can talk about color theory and rainbows and bullet journaling. Yeah, and all the things. What is your thing that you could talk about? Okay, so our Easy Press just heated up. Perfect timing. It took me about 20 minutes to get this all into Design Space and edit it and get it all exactly how I wanted it. But once you have it in there, you can make multiples or you can make one. This is just a super cute craft. Okay, so we have just the silicone mat. Some people were asking where to get this. This is Auntie Tay. This is an Auntietay brand. It says Get Crafty on it. And it's the silicone mat, and I'm going to be featuring it to show you guys all the amazing things it can do. But the most amazing thing it can do is withstand heat. And so I am going to be using it now instead of my mat, so that I don't have to move my mat around. I'm going to be using it as the base to use underneath my Easy Press, whether it's my large Easy Press or my small Easy Press. I can now just, it's so big, you know, it's 18 by 22 inches that it'll match like the large Easy Press, and it won't have to be I won't have to move it around for a larger piece of something. And I can actually flip one upside down if I don't want them to look the same, so that they're like this, which I think I like. So I'm actually just gonna go right on top of it. The glitter HTV is super durable, so I like to make sure I hit it really good and make sure that it is on there. So instead of protecting it, I'll even go over it by itself. Oh, I love the glitter mixed with the non-glitter, but I am not against it. So I'm going to peel this one because it's cool. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. I'm going to peel that one because it's cool. Okay, so let me zoom you guys in so you can really see these colors. Can you see the glitter? How cute. This one's glittery, the orange is glittery, and the green is glittery. I don't think you guys can pick it up, but you guys know what Caesar Easy Weed looks like. It is so cute. Okay, so I think I want to put some bling on here, but not a ton of bling. I just want to sporadically put bling, like I was telling you guys yesterday is a possibility. So let me go get my bling, and we're going to bling this thing out. So I'm going to start with the red. So I'm going to go in here and grab a few of my mermaid hair. I just want a tiny bit. And I'm going to put that on my shirt. And then I'm just going to go in with a little E6000 and do little polka dots all over the red. Maybe, I mean, and you can, by all means, bling out the entire rainbow or just one of the colors of the sweater or whatever you're doing this on. You can just bling a portion of it. A lot of questions on our bling yesterday. One was, what is the size? And our packets come in multi-sized so that you can do a ton of different projects. Also asked, how do these wash up? I wash them on cold and hang dry them. I don't dry any of my blinged projects in the dryer. So I've done that and they have held up really well. Another question we got was why I don't use the Hot Fix, and I wouldn't necessarily want to put Hot Fix on top of this, and I like how E6000 holds up. There's also other glues out there, but lots of questions on our last one, so I thought I'd answer them in this one. Okay, so I'm just gonna push these down. And again, I did not say this in yesterday's video, but you wanna make sure this dries fully before you wear it. So that takes about 24 hours completely for all of the E6000 to dry completely. So now I'm just going to put this back in my little container. I got this container at Hobby Lobby and it holds 20 colors. So if you have all 40 colors of our bling, you will need 2 of them. I think they're $3. So if you're looking at being a blinger, then that's what you're gonna need. Okay, I love some of our golds. So I'm actually going to use floating lanterns for our yellow because I'm obsessed with floating lanterns. I'm gonna zoom in just a bit so you guys can see this. I'm obsessed with floating lanterns. In our soft launch, it did not get as much love as I thought it would, but I refuse to take the color out of our 40 because it is a stunning gold. If you love gold, it is stunning. It's not quite rose gold. We have other bling now that is rose gold, but this is just the prettiest gold. I love it so much. All right, be over. Okay, so again, you can go in and get as crazy as you want with this. I just want you guys to see you don't have to spend hours blinging things out for them to be fabulous. You can actually just, okay, so sorry, I'm cutting myself off. I really want to make sure this purple stands out a little purplier. That was way too much purple, guys, but it's okay. So, okay. And see, this purple's a lot smaller, so if I really wanted to go get crazy with it, I could bling up the entire purple, which I'm almost tempted to do because this purple on this black is just not doing it for me. So I may just go in and bling the whole dang purple. It won't take very long. I mean, it won't take as long as obviously if I did the red, but oh, I did a hidden Mickey. Do you guys see that? Oh, I can't get you in closer. Okay, so I did a little hidden Mickey. I think I'm gonna start doing that, putting hidden Mickey. The reason why I originally made multi-sized packs is so that you could do little Mickey heads with this. Oh, the purple on the white looks so cute if you wanted to go creative with this. So, all right, so now I'm gonna go in with our #1 color, which is Enchanted. And I think this color, I just love this color, so I'm gonna use it. It's our #1 seller, but our white would look really pretty on this as well. But I'm gonna use Enchanted just because I love Enchanted. I think everybody loves Enchanted. It is rainbow white, so it'll just tie in all the colors too. So I'm just gonna put a little bit more dabs and then go in with some Enchanted. You could outline the clouds. You could do raindrops underneath them with more bling, but I really think this color will just add the best pop that it can. So stunning, stunning, guys. Literally stunning. It's hard to. So another big question we got, if you're watching this during quarantine, is when will our bling be in stock again? And we are working on getting it in stock right now. It's just since quarantine, we have had to pull back on how many people can be in the shipping department. So right now, it's not that shipping is taking any longer. We're just shipping our products is a priority than restocking new products. So they will definitely be out next week at least. But as of now, we had to pull back on some of our people that are in the shipping department. So, but as soon as they are in stock, I will put a video up for you guys letting you know that bling is in stock. All right, I'm gonna leave it at that and call it a day. Again, I'm gonna just use my fingers to push it down a little bit to make sure it's on there really good. I can go in with my pointer, and if there's any like glue strings just hanging out, I can go in and pull those off while they're not completely dry. So super fun. I'm obsessed with it. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. Look at that. Oh, would you look at it? I love it. Look at this. It's so cute. But Like I said yesterday, I'm loving wearing like a crew neck sweatshirt underneath a jacket, but with something really cute on the crew neck shirt. So I'm gonna be making a couple more things out of my closet for the next couple days. So if you're interested in watching those, make sure you watch them. And don't forget to tag Craft for the Curve to be entered into our giveaway for some really amazing things. So you guys are probably gonna see me wearing this in the next few videos if I can't wait to do the videos, because I gotta film more videos for you guys because I have to put up 15 videos. We're already a third of the way in though, guys. We can get through this. We can do this. I'm kind of like sad that we're already a third of the way in, except I know that I'm gonna get overwhelmed somewhere in here when I'm crunched for time. But what else do I have to do with my life? All right, see you guys later. Bye.